The Lies About Money by Ric Edelman. Welcome to yourbooksummary.com. Investment tips. 1. Taxes are good because you only pay them if you make money. Don't let fear of taxes stop you from making smart investments. 2. Fees are a normal part of investing, but focus more on performance than fees when choosing investments. 3. Consider your needs and situation when deciding on your investment portfolio. Keep it updated as things change. 4. Retirement may come sooner than you think, so make sure your portfolio supports you when you stop working. 5. Be realistic about how much money you will need in retirement. Many people underestimate this. 6. Don't be overly optimistic about how much return you will get on your investments. Be realistic in your expectations. I hope you found the information about The Lies About Money by Ric Edelman. This brings us to the end of this book. Check out our YouTube channel if you're hungry for more knowledge and want to explore other books. It's chock full of informative videos and recommendations to keep you engaged and learning. So head on over and subscribe today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.